Have you ever wondered why some websites appear on the first page of Google while others are hidden far behind? The answer is something called SEO, or Search Engine Optimization.
SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving a website so search engines like Google can understand the content and show it to people searching for related information.
The first important factor in SEO is keywords. Keywords are the words people type into Google when searching for something. If your website contains the right keywords in titles and content, Google can better understand your page. The second factor is quality content. Google prefers websites that provide helpful information and answer the user's question clearly. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to your website. They act like recommendations. When trusted websites link to your content, Google sees your site as more reliable. In simple terms, SEO works through three main things: using the right keywords, creating useful content, and getting backlinks from other websites.
If this video helped you understand SEO, give it a like and subscribe for more simple digital marketing tips. And tell me in the comments, what SEO topic should I explain next?